Welcome to English Podcast, the podcast where we explore the world one conversation at a time. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm Sarah, ready to share some travel tales.
Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of travel. Sarah, ready to get started?
Absolutely, Alex. I've got my metaphorical passport ready. Let's check some key words first. Wanderlust, a strong desire to travel and explore the world. Backpacking, traveling with a backpack, often on a budget and focusing on adventure. Luxury travel, traveling with a focus on comfort, high-end accommodations, and premium experiences. Creature comforts, things that make a person feel comfortable and relaxed, especially when traveling. Inca Trail, a famous hiking trail in Peru leading to Machu Picchu, mentioned as a challenging trip. Language barrier, difficulty communicating due to differences in language. Travel essentials, items that are considered necessary or very important for a trip. Example, noise-canceling headphones, travel journal. Packing light, the practice of bringing only the necessary items on a trip to minimize luggage weight and size. Dream destination, a place that someone has a strong desire to visit. Adaptable, able to adjust to new conditions. Hidden gems, obscure, interesting, and worthwhile places that are not widely known. Jet lag, fatigue and disorientation experienced after a long flight across multiple time zones. Travel anxiety, worry or unease about traveling. Souvenirs, items purchased as a reminder of a place visited. Boutique hotels, small, stylish hotels, often with a unique character. Vacation rentals, properties, example, apartments, houses, rented out to travelers for a short period. Solo travel, traveling alone. Travel insurance, insurance that covers unexpected events or losses during travel. Off-season, the time of year when travel is less popular and prices are typically lower.
Great. So, Sarah, where did your love of travel begin?
Honestly, it was a family road trip when I was a kid. We drove across the country and I was hooked. What about you?
Mine was a bit later. I studied abroad in college, and it changed everything.
Study abroad is a game changer. Where did you go?
I spent a semester in Italy. The food, the history, incredible.
Italy is on my list. I've heard amazing things.
You have to go. What's your favorite type of travel? Backpacking, luxury, something in between?
I'm definitely a comfort traveler. I like my creature comforts, but I'm still adventurous.
I hear you. I enjoy a mix. I love roughing it sometimes, but a nice hotel is always welcome.
Exactly. What's the most challenging trip you've ever taken?
Probably when I tried to hike the Inca Trail with zero preparation. I learned a lot about myself, mostly that I need to train more.
Aha! Oh no, I can imagine. Mine was getting completely lost in Tokyo. The language barrier was tough.
Tokyo's on my list. Was it worth the struggle?
Absolutely. It's an amazing city. The food scene alone is worth the trip.
Speaking of food, what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten while traveling?
Probably fried grasshoppers in Thailand. They were crunchy.
Wow. I think mine was probably some kind of fermented fish in Iceland. Not my favorite.
Okay, you win that round. What about travel essentials? What can't you leave home without?
Noise-canceling headphones are a must for me. What about you?
A good travel journal and a portable charger. I need to document everything and keep my phone alive.
Smart. Any tips for a packing light? I always overpack.
Roll your clothes instead of folding them, and only pack neutral colors so everything matches.
That's a good one. I always end up with a suitcase full of what was I thinking outfits.
We all do it. What's your dream travel destination?
I'd love to go to Antarctica. It feels like the ultimate adventure.
Wow, that's ambitious. Mine is the Maldives.
Overwater bungalows, turquoise water, pure bliss.
The Maldives sounds amazing. What's the most important thing you've learned from traveling?
That people are generally good, no matter where you go, and that a smile goes a long way.
I agree completely. And that stepping outside your comfort zone is where the magic happens.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So, Alex, where are you planning to travel next?
I'm thinking of exploring Southeast Asia. Maybe Vietnam, Cambodia.
Oh, you'll love it. The culture, the food, the beaches, it's incredible.
That's what I've heard. Any recommendations?
Definitely check out Angkor Wat, Cambodia. It's breathtaking.
Adding it to the list. What about you? Any upcoming trips?
I'm planning a trip to Greece. I want to explore the islands.
Oh, lucky you. Santorini is supposed to be stunning.
I'm hoping to visit Santorini and Mykonos.
Don't forget to try the local wines.
Good call. I'm always up for trying local cuisine.
Me too. It's one of the best parts of traveling.
Absolutely. Any advice for first-time travelers?
Do your research, but don't overplan. Leave room for spontaneity.
Great advice. And be open to new experiences.
Definitely. And don't be afraid to get lost.
Sometimes getting lost is the best way to discover hidden gems.
Exactly. So, Sarah, what's your favorite travel quote?
Not all those who wander are lost, by J.R.R. Tolkien. What about you?
The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page, by St. Augustine.
I love that. It's so true.
Travel really does broaden your perspective.
Absolutely. It makes you appreciate different cultures and ways of life.
And it teaches you to be more adaptable.
Definitely. You learn to roll with the punches.
So true. What's your favorite way to document your travels?
Besides journaling, I love taking photos. I create photo albums for each trip.
That's a great idea. I need to get better at that. I just have a million photos on my phone.
I know the feeling. It's easy to get overwhelmed.
What about souvenirs? Do you collect anything specific?
I like to collect small local crafts, things that remind me of the place.
I usually just buy magnets. They're easy to pack.
Magnets are a classic, practical and easy to display.
Exactly. So, Sarah, any travel regrets?
Not taking more time off when I was younger. I wish I had traveled more in my 20s.
I hear you. It's never too late, though.
True. What about you? Any regrets?
Not learning more languages. It would have made some trips a lot easier.
That's a good point. Even knowing a few basic phrases can be helpful.
Definitely. So, any funny travel stories you'd like to share?
Oh gosh, so many. One time, I accidentally ordered a plate of snails in France. I thought they were mushrooms.
Oh, no. How were they?
Surprisingly, not bad. But definitely not what I was expecting.
That's hilarious. I once got on the wrong train in Germany and ended up in a tiny village.
Oh, wow. Did you manage to get back on track?
Eventually, yes. But it was quite an adventure.
Those unexpected moments are often the most memorable.
Absolutely. So, Sarah, what's your advice for dealing with jet lag?
Stay hydrated, try to adjust to the local time as soon as possible, and get some sunlight.
Good tips. I also try to avoid taking naps during the day.
That can be tough, but it's worth it in the long run.
Definitely. What about dealing with travel anxiety?
Plan ahead, pack early, and practice relaxation techniques.
Those are great suggestions. And remember to breathe.
Yes, deep breaths can make a big difference.
So true. So, Sarah, what's your favorite travel app?
I love Google Maps. It's a lifesaver for navigating new cities.
Agreed. And I use a currency converter app. It helps me keep track of expenses.
That's smart. I need to download one of those.
Definitely. So, Sarah, what's your take on travel insurance?
I think it's essential. You never know what might happen.
I agree. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Absolutely. So, Alex, any tips for finding affordable flights?
Be flexible with your travel dates. fly during the off-season, and use flight comparison websites.
Great tips. And book in advance if possible.
Yes, the earlier the better.
So, Alex, what's your opinion on solo travel?
I think it's a fantastic experience. It forces you to step outside your comfort zone and meet new people.
I agree. I've done a few solo trips and they were incredibly rewarding.
It's a great way to learn about yourself.
Absolutely. So, Alex, what's your favorite type of accommodation?
I like staying in boutique hotels. They're usually unique and have a lot of character.
I prefer vacation rentals. It's nice to have a kitchen and more space.
That makes sense. It's great for longer trips.
Definitely. So, Alex, what's your favorite travel gadget?
Besides noise-canceling headphones, I love my portable Wi-Fi hotspot.
That's a good one. I need to invest in one of those.
It's a lifesaver when you're traveling in remote areas.
So true. So, Alex, any tips for staying safe while traveling?
Be aware of your surroundings. Don't flash expensive jewelry or electronics, and keep your valuables hidden.
Excellent advice. And trust your instincts.
Yes, if something feels off, it probably is.
So, Alex, what's your favorite travel memory?
Watching the sunrise over Angkor Wat in Cambodia. It was magical.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Mine is swimming with sea turtles in Hawaii.
That's amazing. I've always wanted to do that.
It was an unforgettable experience.
So, Sarah, any final thoughts on the joys of traveling?
Travel is an investment in yourself. It broadens your horizons, challenges you, and creates memories that last a lifetime.
I couldn't agree more. It's one of the best things you can do with your time and money.
Absolutely.
That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to Wanderlust Whispers.
Happy travels, everyone!